spend it on me.
But before I could even call the cops, I am too fat. He had a handcuff on his hand. Thank you. You just give me a hug and a kiss. It is a police right here beside me. I'm a little bit nervous. My hair gonna be messed up, but it's cool. It don't even matter what time it is. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Hold on. Today is Tuesday, January the 17th, and I'm about to get ready for work and take my son to school. I don't know what this vlog gonna consist of, but I'm gonna start being more consistent on this channel. I was in the middle of getting ready and I was like, girl, cut your camera on, let's film. Like I said, today is Tuesday. It's a normal day in my life. I'm about to go to work, drop my son off at school first. I'm about to get my life together. Just keep watching.
Saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
So I just finished like my basic part of my morning routine. Now I'm about to put some clothes on, pack my son's lunch, and take him to school. Ready for school?
No.
Why not? AJ got the moves. Papa taking you to school, mommy pick you up. Cool. Get in. You give me a hug and a kiss? You give me a hug and a kiss? You give me a hug and a kiss? See you later, baby.
You had time to take up both waffle makers to make one sandwich.
Hey, if there's a Waffle House in
That's what I'm saying. If they just get some more waffle makers.
So I just got to my shop. I only have one client today, and my client is at 9:35. It is currently 7:51, so I have about an hour and 30 minutes before they get here. So what I'm gonna do is do my everyday routine. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and flip my lights on. Gonna turn on my ring light, and then see, ooh. And then I'm also gonna turn on my Hello Gorgeous sign. It's probably super bright on camera, but you get the point. Typically on Mondays, I receive a hair order, so I have to unbox a hair order. That's my hair shipment there. My walls are pretty much empty, so I need to put all my braiding hair up there, and I have to fill my shelves and stuff up, you know, with just merchandise. Just watch me as I get my shop together.
Saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
And I got 2 new posters for my wall because I've been redoing my shop. I don't know if my salon makeover video will be up by then. Probably not, because I'm not quite finished. I'm going to take this down that says Tanisha Smith. I'm going to take that down and put up 2 posters. Y'all, let me show you what my dumbass just did. I am too fat. I know I'm too fat. I shouldn't have had my ass on top of here. But look, I did. I put my body weight up here and look, end up cracking it. What in the world? I don't know, maybe I'll just flip it over and let that be the base. I don't really know what I'm about to do. Pictures I was hanging up anyways is crooked, so y'all pray for me. Y'all just pray for me. I just went ahead and filmed me putting up my posters without y'all seeing it because I didn't want to die on camera. I didn't want y'all to witness me actually dying. If you look behind me, I got them up there. They look so good. I'm gonna show you. My whole theme for the salon is like a boho vibe. It needs frames. Reading is fundamental because I knew it needed frames, but I didn't know it needed frames. When my package got delivered from Amazon, I was like, how in the world is this little package? This is actually what it came in. A bag like this, and I'm like, how's that with frames? That's why you need to read your descriptions when you buy stuff on Amazon. Slowly but surely getting it together. I feel like something needs to go in this corner, but what? I don't know. So yeah, this is the fit of the day. Nothing fancy, just this little fleece that I got from Walmart. So Walmart leggings, socks, and some combat boots. You already seen what my face is looking like. You know I'm not doing any makeup. I typically only do makeup if like we're going somewhere. I'm done talking. I'm gonna stop rambling. It is now 8:21 and my client will be here shortly. So let me go ahead and prep for her and I'll see you guys soon. Oh God, I am tired. Like I said, I must be like super fat or super lazy because I'm tired. I've been trying to drink more water. Got this super cute cup from Five Below. I think it was about $7, caught it on a 50% off sale. Let me get my ass back to work. I'm about to take the trash out before I get my day started because I should have probably took the trash out a couple of days ago and I have just been stuffing it in there. So I'm about to take the trash out real quick. Oh God, it's raining. I had no idea that it was raining. I mean, I knew it was supposed to rain today, but I didn't know it had already started. My hair gonna be messed up, but it's cool. At least I don't have far to walk. I'm almost at the trash can. I got it. Thank you, though. Thank you. A little bit. Y'all, I can't believe I was vlogging. It was a man outside. He was trying to take my trash for me. But I was like, nah, I can do that myself. It's a little story time for you. The last time I took my trash out, it was a guy outside. He was standing near the trash and he was like, oh, I'll take the trash out for you. So somebody escaped from jail and they were behind my trash dumpster. When he got ready to grab the trash bag from me, he had a handcuff on his hand. I immediately ran back in my shop, called my husband and was like, yo, what the fuck? My husband was like, you need to call the police. You need to call the police. But before I could even call the cops, as soon as I looked out my door, they were already here. So I guess somebody had already reported it. So he was not taking my trash today. I was going to do it myself. At least I had it on camera, though, because, you know, with me having it on camera, at least somebody would have seen it. Well, I guess if he would have kidnapped me and took my camera, it wouldn't even matter. Anyways, it is 8:51, and I typically open my doors at 9, so I'm about to go ahead and open, do my client, and then I'll come back after I finish my client. I might film. I probably won't because she has alopecia and she don't like people seeing her hair, so I'll check back in with you guys after I finish my client's hair. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and lock my door real quick because your girl a little bit scared. Hey guys, so I just finished my client's hair. Right now I have a bunch of errands I need to run. I'm about to go do that. I have to go to the UPS store to return something from Amazon. I love me, you know, press-ons. I do hair, so press-ons just work for me. My nails typically look like this. I like the real short French tips. And I ordered these on Amazon. I've never had a problem before. And they accidentally sent me these. And they are petite. I don't like petite because petite only has a little bit of white. I like a lot of white. So I'm going to return that to the UPS store from Amazon. If you know, you know. Then after that, I am going to the hair store. I need to get some hair for my client. That's on Thursday. No, today's only Tuesday. I can wait and do it tomorrow, but I don't like to procrastinate. Just in case they don't have any hair, what I'm looking for, that, you know, I could go somewhere else and pick it up. And I need to go to the ATM. A lot of my clients pay in cash, and I don't like to have that cash on me, so I'm going to go to the ATM. While I'm rambling, I could just go ahead and, you know, I could just go ahead and go. It is pouring down raining out here, you guys. I'm about to drive and I'm about to go run all these errands. So I'll cut the camera back on, I guess, when I get there, because I really don't want to, you know, I ain't trying to have no accident or nothing. One, because it's raining, and two, I have like an hour and a half before I have to go get my son. So I'm gonna cut the camera off, and next stop is gonna be UPS. You'll see me at the UPS store. I just got to the UPS store. They are really packed over here in the shopping center. Like, I didn't even have anywhere to park. I don't know if I'm gonna take the camera in. One, because I'm nervous, and two, because I feel like it'll go much quicker if I just don't take it in. We gonna see. You're welcome. I'm good. How about yourself? Take your time. Thank you. Have a good day. I didn't take the camera in, but I ended up taking my phone in, and it went really quick. One day I'm going to be not so nervous about vlogging, but until then, I am. Woo. So yeah, I just got in the car. I am about to head to the ATM really quick, or the bank, so I can deposit some money. And like I said, I didn't take the camera in. One, because they were busy and I was trying to be in and out, and two, I'm a little scared, so I took the phone. I'm actually leaving the UPS store now, and let me tell you, I was super nervous because there was this guy beside me in a truck, and he was just sitting there. So I don't know if he's like on the phone or what, or if he's looking at me, but it just makes me so nervous. I'm gonna get out of that. I'm gonna get out of my little nervousness, you know. I'm gonna start giving you guys content. It is raining like crazy out here. It is currently 12:42, so I got 2 more stops. So we're about to head to the ATM now, and I'll see you when we get to the ATM. So like I said, I just got to the ATM, so I'm gonna double check my money before I deposit into my account. 82, 20, 40, 60, 70, 89. I never get close enough. It always, like, don't take all my money. It always reads like, oh, it was a check or something was wrong with the money, like it's fake or something, but it's not, because it clearly has a holograph in it. I don't know. It kept saying it was a check, but I know it's real. I'm assuming it's real. Hopefully my clients, you know, didn't give me any fake money. But that was super quick because the ATM was actually across the road from UPS. So now we're about to head to the hair store. So we're about to drive there. I'll see you guys when we get there. It don't even matter what time it is. I just got to the hair store. I'm getting ready to walk in there. Once again, I don't know if I'm going to take the camera in or not, because, you know, I'm scared. I don't know. We gonna see y'all. Oh, thank you.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. Oh.
So I just left the hair store. I tried to film, but I was so nervous, so I did get a little bit of footage. Right now it is 1:15 p.m. 1:15 p.m. My son doesn't get out of school to 2:25, so I still have an hour and 10 minutes. I don't know if I'm just gonna go to the school and sit in the parking lot and edit a video, or if I'm gonna go to Rose's because it's right here. I kind of want a smoothie, but there's nowhere on this side of town for a smoothie unless I go to McDonald's. But I don't really want McDonald's, so I don't know. We'll see.
I like when you spend it on me. Spend them bags. Spend it on me. Spend it on me.
Just pulled up at Wendy's. I'm about to get this pineapple mango drink. It is the best drink I've ever had in my life. If you are like a tropical kind of person, you like pineapple, mangoes, orange juice, all that kind of stuff, definitely get you that. They are amazing. And I can't believe I actually drove to Wendy's just for this one drink. But like I said, I had like a whole hour before it was time to get my son. So I was like, let's kill some time. I was thinking about actually going inside and to sit down and edit. I ain't that bold yet. One day I'm gonna get there though. It's one car in front of me. And as soon as they finish, I'm gonna go ahead and order.
Good afternoon. Thank you for choosing Wendy's. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a large pineapple mango drink, please?
Of course. Anything else for you today?
No, ma'am. That'll be all.
341 first window. My pleasure.
Thank you. There you go. Thank you.
There you go, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. So yeah, like I was saying, I just got this orange pineapple. I don't know why I keep saying orange. It's just called pineapple mango. So if you go to Wendy's, it's called pineapple mango. And baby, it is the best thing ever. I'm about to show y'all as soon as I get to a point where I can actually show y'all. And look, this is a large. Oh God, it is so good. Now I'm about to head to my son's school, and I'm gonna edit there while I'm waiting in the parking lot because I still have a whole nother hour left. That only took about like 5 minutes. So it is a police right here beside me. I'm a little bit nervous because in the state of North Carolina, can you know, be on a device? A camera is considered a device. But I made sure I stopped and, you know, obeyed everything. Just got to my son's school. It is 1:41 and they get out of school at 2:35. I'm about to sit here and edit, drink my drink. I bought my MacBook with me so that I can edit some footage from yesterday, because like I said, I'm trying to give y'all this content. I'm gonna just sit here and edit a couple of videos, or shoot, I might even edit this video so it can go up for you guys. That's pretty much gonna be the end of today's vlog. I mean, it was simple. Basically, this is gonna be like a random day in my life video. Let me know if you like videos like that. Comment down below. I'm just gonna sit here and edit some videos. Of course I can't edit because my battery is low. Oh, this is hilarious. I'm gonna go ahead and make an outro. Hopefully you like what you've seen in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time.